Well, right now, jury selection in the suitcase murder trial is underway. Fox 35's Stephanie Buffamonte has been there all day long in court. And Stephanie, both sides now finding it pretty hard to get enough jurors for this trial.
Good evening. That is right. So 2 panels of 50 people each were brought in for jury selection today. Another 50 people will be brought in tomorrow morning, and they'll have other people on hand if need be. The tricky thing with the jury selection in this case is that this trial is expected to last 3 weeks. So a lot of people have conflicts with work, their kids, and other things like that. The other thing, this is a high-profile case, so a lot of people already know the details and may have seen evidence.
Ma'am, you told me last week that you were ready for trial. Are you ready for trial today?
I am.
Okay, all right.
Sarah Boone walked into the Orange County courtroom wearing a blue dress shirt, slacks, and jail slippers. After a week-long delay due to Hurricane Milton, jury selection for her trial began Monday. Boone sat before jurors without handcuffs. The Winter Park woman is accused of zipping her boyfriend Jorge Torres up in a suitcase during a drunken game of hide-and-seek back in 2020. Boone told deputies back then she went upstairs to her room and fell asleep, and when she woke up, she found Torres dead in the suitcase. Investigators say evidence shows she filmed her then-boyfriend inside the suitcase while he was pleading to be let out.
Sarah, for everything you've done to me.
I can't breathe, babe. Seriously.
Yeah, that's when you do and you choke me.
It's evidence like this cell phone video that the state and defense would rather potential jurors to have not already seen.
Has anyone seen a video of a man in a suitcase?
There was a series of questions from Judge Michael Kranick to see if potential jurors had already seen the cell phone video, the interrogation video, and the body cam video from when deputies responded.
You zipped him in there.
Yes. He thought it would be funny to be put in the suitcase, so I was like, okay, well, I'm going to joke with you, and I'll zip you up and make him, squirm a little bit, whatever it is. But then I fell asleep.
Has anyone seen any body-worn camera videos in which Miss Boone is speaking to police? Do you have such strong feelings that you could not be a fair and impartial juror? If you have those beliefs, please raise your paddles at this time.
So normally jurors are told don't research the case and, don't talk about the case with your family and friends. But in this case, when we were going through the jury selection, a lot of the people who said that they had heard the details of the case and have seen the evidence said that they watched it on their local news, like how you are watching right now. So they actually asked jurors not to read the paper and not to watch their local newscast so that they don't see anything that's going on that would change their opinion. We'll send it back to you.
Stephanie, we hear there have also been some issues with getting clothing for Boone during the trial. How is that?
Yeah, so as you might remember, the trial did start, jury selection almost started last week before it was delayed midway. And there was a delay there because Sarah Boone can get her clothes. Now, this is important because her attorney doesn't want potential jurors to see her in that jail jumpsuit. They want her to be seen in normal clothes. So today she actually came out with the same outfit and jail slippers as I mentioned. There's been an issue with getting her clothes. That was one of the big topics that her attorney spoke with the judge today, and they said that they seem to have worked that out.
All right, thanks a lot, Stephanie.